Sennheiser XS1 Vocal Dynamic Microphone. A quick sound test for you to audition as I unbox this little microphone. Listen to the quality of my voice very carefully so that you can judge for yourself. Also, please wear headphones so that you can gauge the noise flow. I'm recording straight into a Zoom H1n with the gain set at maximum, that is 10. At the moment, I'm speaking 2 inches away from the microphone. A quick look around the box, branding and description in the front, the contents in the box on the side. Nothing much else on the other faces of the box. Inside the box, a pouch. The pouch itself is of good quality. Instruction manual. Interestingly, here it describes the various ways you can connect the XLR. You can connect it via a balanced connection or an unbalanced connection, just as I have done it, entering into the Zoom H1 as an unbalanced connection. The mic itself, around it is a mic clip with a metal 3/4 inch screw. The mic itself, solid aluminium, heavy, well built, good switch with a good feel. XLR pins at the bottom, strong mesh at the top. Let's have a look at the capsule. Looks well built, premium materials used, and the mic itself has a sponge pop filter built in. Here, let me give you a closer look. So far, listening to the sound of the microphone, who do I feel that this mic is for? I think this mic is a great entry-level vocal microphone. At around a price of 2,500 rupees, it gives you good quality from a premium brand. Please note that this is a 300 ohm microphone and I had to give it a lot of gain on my Zoom H1n. But then again, this is not the ideal way to connect this microphone. Ideally, you should be connecting it to a preamp so that you can give it some gain through XLR pins. That would be a balanced connection. I hope you got to appreciate this little sound test as I gave a voiceover to this unboxing. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe. Until the next one, signing out.